Welcome to Best Choice. The best truck bed coating is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make for your truck. Whether you're hauling tools, equipment, or just need to protect your truck bed from the elements, a quality coating can make a huge difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the Dupli-Color truck bed coating, exploring its features, application process, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Custom Coat 1 Quart Urethane Truck Bed Liner Kit. Introducing Custom Coat, the easy-to-use spray-on truck bed liner. This kit has a simple 3-to-1 mix ratio, so you can easily mix, shake, and spray. It provides a durable, textured protective coating. The 1 quart kit includes a tintable base and a standard hardener. It's designed to cover approximately 110 to 130 square feet. This kit is all you need to get started. Custom Coat is a premium, long-lasting coating that can withstand extreme temperatures. It's heat, UV-resistant, and waterproof, protecting surfaces from rust. It also helps dampen sounds and vibrations. This heavy-duty, 2-part urethane coating is easy to apply and provides ultimate surface protection. Unlike other coatings, it's flexible, resisting chipping while providing impact and abrasion resistance. This makes it perfect for truck beds. Custom Coat is incredibly versatile. Use it on truck beds, vehicle exteriors, chassis, bumpers, and more. It's also great for home use, providing a non-skid coating for floors, decks, and other surfaces. Achieve professional results with our DIY Custom Coat kits. Kits are available in various sizes, with options for spray guns or roller application. You can also choose from over 50 colors of urethane tint concentrate to create a custom look. What we like. This kit offers an easy 3-to-1 mix ratio, making application a breeze. The durable, textured coating not only looks great but also prevents rust, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution that provides robust protection and a professional finish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The coating is holding up very well. The product is easy to apply. It has a nice texture. Number 4. TCP Global Air Undercoating Spray Gun. This pneumatic application gun is perfect for a variety of coatings. It's ideal for automotive rust proofing, undercoating, and applying truck bed liners. It handles oil, solvent, or water-based coatings with ease. The gun is lightweight and well-balanced for precise application. It's designed to handle different coating viscosities, allowing you to achieve various textures. This gives you great control over the final finish. Built to last, it features a robust die-cast aluminum alloy body. The easy grip trigger handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended projects. This design makes it a pleasure to work with. It accepts standard US 1 quart bottles and cans. The threads are 1.75 inches in outside diameter. Please note that it does not fit UPOL or Custom Coat 1-liter bottles. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this gun is for you. It's suitable for auto body shops and anyone looking for reliable coating application. It's a great tool for any project. What we like. This pneumatic spray gun gives you precise control over texture and application. Its durable design ensures comfortable use, even for extended periods. If you are a DIY enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable tool to achieve various textures and finishes, this is the ideal tool. What people say. The coating is holding up very well. The product is easy to apply. The texture is great and looks like a factory finish. Number 3. Dupli-Color ERGA 10100 Rocker Guard Coating, Black Spray Paint. Are you looking for a way to protect your vehicle's lower panels? This texturized and solvent-based coating is perfect for preventing chips and protecting against corrosion. It's designed to keep your car looking its best. This spray paint offers superior adhesion and flexibility. It's formulated to be impact-resistant, so you can drive with confidence knowing that it will protect your vehicle from rock chips. This product is built to last. Forget about the extra steps. This special coating already has an adhesion promoter, so no primer is needed. It dries quickly, ready to handle in just 30 minutes. It's convenient and easy to use. This touch-up paint is perfect for chips and bottom panels on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. Whether you're fixing a small imperfection or protecting a larger area, it's the ideal solution. It's versatile and effective. Since 1938, Dupli-Color has been a trusted leader in providing innovative products. This product is designed to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle's appearance. Trust the brand that has been protecting vehicles for decades. What we like. This coating is impact and chip resistant, protecting your vehicle's lower panels from damage. It requires no primer, saving you time and effort. If you like a quick and easy solution to protect your car from rock chips and corrosion, you should consider this. What people say. The coating is holding up very well. The product is easy to apply. It has a nice, textured finish. Number 2. Dupli-Color EUC 104000 Premium Undercoating. This undercoating is designed to reduce noise. It helps create a quieter and more comfortable environment. You'll notice the difference immediately. Protect your vehicle from rust and corrosion with this product. It forms a durable barrier against the elements. This will extend the life of your car. The high build formula provides excellent coverage. It fills in gaps and imperfections for a smooth finish. This ensures maximum protection. This undercoating offers a protective rubberized finish. It shields against road debris and other hazards. The finish is also paintable. You can easily paint over this undercoating. It provides a perfect base for any color. This allows you to customize the look of your vehicle. What we like. This product offers sound dampening and corrosion resistance, protecting your vehicle. The high build formula provides a protective and paintable rubberized finish. If you have a vehicle where noise reduction and rust prevention are priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The coating is holding up great and still looks good. The product is easy to apply. It has held up very well and has not chipped or peeled. Number 1. Dupli-Color ERBG 10000 Black Rust Preventive Coating. Are you tired of dealing with rust? This product is designed to be applied directly to rusted and bare metal surfaces. It provides a protective layer, saving you time and effort. This coating effectively seals existing corrosion, preventing it from spreading further. It creates a barrier that protects the metal from the elements. This is a professional-grade product, offering superior performance and durability. You can trust it to deliver long-lasting results, just like the pros. Once applied, this coating is paintable, allowing you to customize the finish. You can easily match the color to your existing surfaces or create a new look. This coating is impact-resistant, meaning it can withstand everyday wear and tear. It provides a tough, durable finish that protects against damage. What we like. This coating allows you to paint directly over rust, saving you prep time. It effectively seals corrosion and is impact-resistant. If you are looking for a straightforward solution to address existing rust and prevent further damage, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The coating is holding up very well. The product is easy to apply. The texture is great and not too rough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.